Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy.cooking, where today I'm going to be making a beef rib sandwich. So I've got some beef ribs that I left over from my previous cook. So I'm just going to get the meat off this bone. Just a bit of force, and yeah, it's coming away nicely. So there we have it. This is the meat I'll be using for the sandwich. Just going to pop it onto a hot grill, get it warmed through, get some char marks on it, and we should be good to go. Need a bit of comfort food on a day like this. We've had 1 month's worth of rain in the past 24 hours. Many of the places surrounding us are all flooded and cut off. Less than a mile away from here, we had a huge mudslide that stopped literally feet away from the back of someone's houses. So, a bit of comfort food's needed. So I'm just going to cook this, warm it through. Just keep rotating it. About done. I'm just going to take it off and rest it. Large patty loaf here. I'm just going to char it. I'm just about done. Now it's time to assemble this sandwich. So, just got a bit of chopped iceberg lettuce, thinly sliced tomato, some red onion rings, and the beef rib. What goes well with beef? Of course, horseradish. Plenty of horseradish. Quick and easy, comfort food on a terrible rotten day. Shouldn't have got a bigger knife really, but this one will do. So there we have it, Dutchy's leftover rib sandwich.